Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying your email and phone. This prevents lockouts. Once done, update the Roblox app or your browser so compatibility issues vanish. Now open Account Settings and go to Security, then locate the Passkey or Security Keys area. You're taking these steps because an outdated client or unverified contact can block Passkey registration. Next, make sure you're on the device you want to use for the Passkey. Having that device ready speeds the process and reduces errors. You'll remove old or orphan passkeys first, because conflicts often cause failures. Once removed, make sure to use a clean browser profile or an incognito session. Cached credentials can interfere. Then select Register New Passkey and follow the on-screen prompts, touch your security key, or confirm your device biometric when asked. This step rebuilds the authentication link. It reestablishes trust between Roblox and your authenticator. If the prompt times out, retry after restarting the app or browser to clear transient errors. You must test the new Passkey right away by signing out and signing back in. This confirms success and prevents surprises. Also enable a backup two-step verification method, such as email or an authenticator app, so you're not locked out if the Passkey fails. If something goes wrong, clear browser cache and cookies, then retry. Alternatively, use a different device to register the Passkey. That one troubleshooting tip, switch device or clear cache, fixes most lingering issues quickly because it removes corrupted local state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.